You know, those days when nothing bad has really happened, but you still feel very heavy inside of you. आप सुबह उठते हो, फोन चेक करते हो, मैसेजेस, रील्स, नोटिफिकेशंस, बाहर से सब नॉर्मली लग रहा होता है, पर अंदर कुछ भी नॉर्मल नहीं फील हो रहा होता है. एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस, सैडनेस, ओवर थिंकिंग, सब कुछ एक साथ चल रहा होता है. एंड यू डोंट even know how to explain it to anyone. Many times this heaviness also starts manifesting through your body, like palpitations, constant sleepiness, exhaustion, and so much more. That's usually when people start noticing you and they will come to help. वो आएंगे और बोलेंगे तू ठीक है, is everything okay with you, and stuff like that. And they mean well, really, they do care for you. But slowly this help starts turning into instructions. They will start saying things like सुबह जल्दी उठा कर, इतना मत सोचा कर, बी स्ट्रॉन्ग यार, ये सब तो चलता रहता है, बी मोर पॉजिटिव इन योर लाइफ. एंड टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, डज दिस मेक एनी सेंस टू यू? बिकॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ फीलिंग सपोर्टेड, you suddenly start feeling smaller. Like they will start making you feel like you are intentionally doing this to yourself. And after listening all of this, suddenly there's a storm starts arising in your head. You will feel like, do you think I don't know this already? Do you think I like feeling like this? And do you really think that I am doing this to myself intentionally? You already know what to do. Be more disciplined, work out regularly, meditate, be more focused, and things like that. But let me tell you something. Knowing something and being able to do it are two very different things. And there is a huge gap here. And nobody really talks about it. This video is basically about a problem that I personally faced for so long. And there was no one to tell me what is going wrong. Why has everybody started to fix me up? And in result of it, I became so arrogant and I started disconnecting myself from everybody. See, I know what is right and what is wrong. But when you are in a situation like this, when you have no control over your emotions and you are feeling so heavy, so tired, and you don't know what is going wrong, in that phase, you don't know how to react and how to control your emotions. And no matter whatever you try, you meditate, you work out, no matter what you do, this feeling will never go until you will start finding and noticing what is wrong with you, and you will slowly see what is really happening with you. But until then, nothing will really make sense to you, no matter what people teach you and no matter how people try to help you out. This is you who needs to fix this up, not them. So I was a very sensitive person. I still am. Maybe you are or maybe you are not. But the thing is that you are also a human being, and we all need something common, which is someone who understands us instead of making us feel terrible at the moments when we are not feeling well with ourselves. What people don't see is that your body is tired, your mind is full, and your nervous system is overloaded. आप lazy नहीं हो, आप weak भी नहीं हो. You are just carrying too much for too long now. Sometimes you also feel this way because you never opened up yourself to anyone, and when you finally do, you are told how to fix yourself, and that hurts more than the problem itself. So let me say one thing very honestly, without sounding rude of course. If you can't help somebody, please don't add extra pressure to them. They don't need constant reminders, comparisons, they don't need your motivational speeches, and they don't even need to know your analysis. Sometimes a silence is more kinder than an advice. If you really want to help them do this, just sit with them. Let them speak without interrupting, and don't try to rush their emotions. Tell them that they are enough. Even in a situation like this, they will figure things out. Sometimes they just need a hug. They need space, and support should not look like fixing. It should look like staying, like you are there with them in this situation. You are there to hold their hands, and you are there to support them no matter how they decide to fix it up themselves. You are slowly learning an important lesson. It's okay to be stressed. It's okay to feel anxious. It's okay to not have life figured out at 20. It's okay to cry, because before you will start improving, you really need to process things first. Before you will grow, you need to release certain emotions. You are not broken. You are just a human being, and accept every problem that comes your way. Accept every emotion. Accept that feeling, that heaviness. It will eventually fade away. Just take it lightly. Sadness is not your enemy. Anxiety is not here to destroy you. दे आर जस्ट मैसेंजर्स। वो आते ही इसलिए हैं ताकि आपको पता चले दैट समथिंग नीड्स अटेंशन, एंड इफ यू विल ट्राई टू इग्नोर देम, they will scream louder. If you will try to fight them, they will stay longer. And if they go quiet today, they will come again tomorrow. So instead of running from them, learn to sit with them. Start identifying what is the problem beneath the surface. What is actually making you anxious? What is something that you are really ignoring? I will make a different video on this, but let me be on the point what I'm trying to say. आपने कभी Inside Out movie देखी है? It do seems like a kids movie, but let me tell you something. It is much better than any self-help book out there. It explains adults better than any self-help book. This movie shows that every emotion has a job to fulfill. They are not inside you for nothing. They have a purpose to fulfill inside you. It shows that we already have everything inside us. Wisdom, clarity, strength, everything that you need is already inside you. The problem isn't the lack of answers. The problem actually is that we don't listen them long enough. And that's what self-help is actually about. It's not about selfies or quotes. Self-love is understanding yourself when nobody else does. And you can do it. You just have to look inside you. Why is any emotion troubling you? Why is anxiety there? Why am I sad? Why am I suddenly angry? And why am I crying all of a sudden? You really have to look inside yourself, and I will genuinely suggest you to watch this movie. अगर आप ऐसे situation से struggle कर रहे हो, अगर आप ऐसे situation में हो, then you don't need to be saved. You don't need to be rushed. You just need to be felt. And if someone you love is struggling from a situation like this, please don't say just chill, everything will be okay, and stupid things like these. Just sit with them. Tell them that you will not judge them, that they can be open with you, they can share everything with you, and you are there to help them solve their problems. Because people don't need heroes. You are not some hero, and please don't make yourself feel like a hero. क्योंकि एक हीरो की तरह आप किसी को बचा नहीं लोगे, और आप कभी बचा भी नहीं सकते. You can just be a human, be there for them whenever they want you. Please don't try to do something extra that makes them feel worse. Be conscious and try to be a human who can sit with their discomfort without panicking. If they are sad, if they are anxious, if they are depressed, if they are in a difficult situation, then you just need to be what you already are, a human. And sometimes that's just more than enough. This is Shagun from Soul Seasons reminding you that people need not to be fixed. They just need to be felt.